Hello, in this video I am with the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and I'm going to show you how you can use camera pro mode on this device. So to open the pro mode, you can simply go between the portrait and the more modes and just click the pro. And right now you can find some parameters at the bottom. So let's start from the left side. First of all, we can find the manual focus. So basically we can set the focus range, and we can also do this automatically by going to the A. Next we can find the white balance with few presets. Next one is the shutter speed. We can set the shutter speed even for the 32 seconds. Next it's ISO level. And the last one, that's the exposure compensation. As you can see, we can set it between +4 and the -4, and that's, by the way, the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there is no this automatic button adjustment. Next we can go for the upper bar, where we can change photo format. We got 3 photo formats. We can enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. We can also turn on the flashlight, and here we can change camera aspect ratio. So yeah, that's all. That's how the camera pro mode works on the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Hope you like it.